Welcome to Slide Egg. Let's learn how to open PowerPoint in safe mode. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. You'll notice at the top right corner that it's currently not in safe mode. Now, there are two easy ways to open PowerPoint in safe mode. The first method is by using the Run command. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard at the same time, and the Run dialog box will appear. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box, type powerpoint.exe/safe and click OK. PowerPoint will open, and you'll see that it's now in safe mode. The second method is even simpler. Find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or Start menu. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then double-click the PowerPoint icon. A pop-up will appear asking, "Do you want to start PowerPoint in safe mode?" Click Yes, and PowerPoint will open in safe mode. And that's all there is to it. Now you know two easy ways to open PowerPoint in safe mode. Thank you for watching.